should take a stroll this weekend. Finished all my weed, you know I'm all in control this weekend. Sober, so no, I'm not stoned this weekend. All about your...
Hi guys, sorry if the lighting is a bit off, but I broke my actual main light that I use. So if the lighting's off, I'm sorry. But I really wanted to film this video and get it out for you because I've just come back from shopping and I have work tomorrow, and I know if I don't film this, it will never get filmed. So, let's see my intro. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Life of Ours. If you don't know who I am, get to know, stick around, subscribe, all that jazz. If you know who I am already because you've been here for a while now, welcome back. This is the video you've all been asking me for. So it is how I got my hair and toned my 613 hair from Supernova hair. I almost forgot where I got it from for a second. Supernova hair. Yeah. I've got clips of what I've done. I'm going to obviously explain what I've done and insert clips as well. I feel that's the best way for me to do this. So yeah. So obviously this hair is from Supernova hair. It's really good hair. I've had it for like, I'd say 2 weeks now, a week and a bit maybe, I don't know, but the hair is just, it's just holding up really well. Just holding up really well. The hair is a bit whiter now than it was when I first toned it because I washed it out with some purple shampoo when I washed it. I'll show you what purple shampoo I use. So if you like this kind of icier colour, I'll just tell you how I did that. But yeah, I'm going to start a clip of how the hair was originally.
Tell me who you been around, tell me who you been around, tell me. Tell me. If you can handle the heat, then come over, baby, yeah, come over. No.
Step 1 is adding your roots. So to do the roots, I use Clairol Nice and Easy in 5A medium ash brown for your roots. Let me make something very clear. Use an ash brown colour. Don't use black. Don't use blue black, don't use warm black, use an ash brown colour. Please. Black roots on 613 hair does not look nice. It doesn't. Okay, no. If you think it looks nice, sorry, my opinion doesn't actually matter. If you think it looks nice and you like it that way, fine. But in my opinion, it don't look nice. So we're not going to do that. Please use a medium ash brown, like an ash brown colour for your roots. Perfect. Black, no. Because I see people buy the 613 hair that has the black roots on it. No, baby. No. Bad decision. Bad choice. No. So step 1. So I use Clairol Nice and Easy in 5A to do my closure. So I pin the closure down on the wig head, making sure it's nice and secure, it's not going to move. And I separate and clip away parts, like the closure in sections. And I used a spoolie at first to apply it to the roots in sections, obviously. But then I end up using a toothbrush in the end. I don't know if the clip's going to show that. But I end up using a toothbrush in the end because the spoolie kept catching hairs. So if you've got the patience to use a spoolie, use a spoolie. If not, a small toothbrush will do. I use some old toothbrush I got from a hotel. Just, yeah, will do for the roots. Make sure you do the roots in sections and not in just one big chunk, like top layer. Because it won't like look as faded and blended out if you just do it in one layer. You want to do it in sections. I know it's long, but sorry, it's the process. It's just how it goes, I'm afraid. Sorry.
I'll switch on both of my phones this week. Yeah. Will you do what you've been told this week? Will you live with me? Yeah. I said, will you live with me? After I'm done with you probably go tell all your friends you're gone. Tell all your friends you're gone. Tell them. After I made love to you, I promise you, you won't wanna go home. You won't wanna go home. No, never. Say you miss when I'm touching you. Yeah. ring my phone, I'll be there before you know. Girl, you know that I'm stuck with you.
Numero dos. What you want to do after that is you want to rinse out your closure. So I let it develop for about like 20 minutes or so. No longer than 20 minutes, possibly half an hour. I think I was lazy that day, I can't even remember. And then when you rinse your closure, you want to hold your closure upwards like this. And then let the... I didn't film me rinsing out the closure because my bathroom is bare wet and I'm accident prone. So I had a feeling I'd just get water on my expensive camera, which I did not want. So you just hang your closure upside down and rinse out the hair dye, rinse out, shampoo it out as well, make sure it's all nice and wet, keeping the ends of the hair away from the dye, and then you just leave that to the side. Okay, now that you've done the roots on your closure, you also want to add roots to the first bundle. So the bundle that you're going to have at the top, so it would either be your shortest length. For me, I have 3 bundles of 20 inch, so it doesn't matter. Any bundle for me, but your shortest length, that's going to go at the very top near your closure. You want to add roots to that as well. You don't have to do that, especially if I'm wearing a closure. I don't really have to do that, but I'm extra. And 2, if you have a frontal, I'd suggest you do that as well. So just add roots to that. So just unfold that bundle and add your roots to that. With the same Clairol Nice and Easy 5A hair dye. Set that to the side. Rinse out, obviously holding it upside down. Make sure you don't get the hair on the dye on the ends. And then you're good to go. You're good to go, good to go, good to go. Once you have done the roots for the first bundle, done the roots on your closure, you can now begin to tone. Now, to tone, I used Wella T15. I was stuck between a lot of toners. I have to shout out AK's Hair Studio, or King Ashy as well. She's in charge of AK's Hair Studio, because she helped me pick the toners I wanted to use. I was really stuck, but we ended up coming to the conclusion that I was going to use T15. T15 is what I used. It's a nice beige colour, not too white, it's more on the beige side. I used a T15 toner and a 20 volume developer. Do not use 30, do not use 40 volume, use a 20 I don't know why people use more than 20 volume for toners. You don't need to. A 20 volume developer will do just fine. More than 20 volumes will make the hair develop way too quick for you to control the tone of the hair anyway. So 20 volume developer, yes, and T15, and I just put that. I used about 3 boxes of T15. I should have used 4, 1 for each piece of hair, so closure and 3 bundles. But I managed to stretch 3, but 4 would have been better. But I managed to make the 3 stretch because, you know, I always know how to make do in situations. And I'll just put the toner all over. Brush it out to make it all even. The clip will show you what I'm doing. Yeah.
So tell me how you still can be so cold. Why you so damn cold? Why you're right, let me know. Are you alone this weekend?
Oh, I forgot to mention my bundles. I kind of wet my bundles before toning. I've heard that you're meant to like tone hair on damp hair anyway, so I kind of wet my bundles, towel dry them, then tone them. And obviously the closure and the first bundle were already wet, so tone on wet hair, wet damp hair. This works for me. After I toned the hair, I let that sit for I don't know how long I let it sit for. I'm going to say 10 to 20 minutes because I just let it sit for as long as I felt like. I just looked at the hair and thought, yeah, you look a bit toned, and rinsed it out in the order of which one had the toner on for the longest. Rinsed it out accordingly. I used my Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo to rinse out the toner, to wash it all out. And then I let my hair, and then I drowned each bundle in Aussie Miracle Repair Conditioner. This is an important step. This is what will stop your 613 hair from looking puffy and dry as hell. So I let it sit in a conditioner in a freezer bag, each bundle in an individual freezer bag. I let that sit for until I woke up the next morning. And then I put it in the microwave, and, well, when I woke up in the morning, put each freezer bag in the microwave for about a minute. And then I rinsed the hair out and let it dry for a bit before starting to make the wig, and ta-da! Here we are. Yeah, I hope I explained it well enough for you to understand. I put the clips in anyway for you guys to get it. I know I'm not the best at explaining things, hence why I made sure to film what I was doing, because for some reason English and me aren't really getting along today. I think it's because I've had a really long day, and I'm actually really hungry. So yeah, that's it. Oh, and the reason the hair's a bit whiter now is because obviously I need to wash the hair because I've got loads of foundation in it, so I wanted to wash my hair. So I thought I don't want the toner, because toner fades, so I thought I don't want the toner to fade. So I was like, let me just wash it, like do a rinse with purple shampoo. I'm not going to let the hair sit in, I'm just going to rinse with purple shampoo. I used some Maxima, let me even show you which purple shampoo. I used this Maxima silver shampoo because my hair shop ran out of shimmer lights, so this was the best thing they had. The guy said, but this stuff is strong as hell. My hair didn't even sit in this stuff long enough, and parts of my hair at the back were purple at one point. I had to rinse out with a clarifying shampoo. So now the hair's icier than it was when I first toned it, but I actually prefer this colour personally. I don't know if you can tell in this lighting, but I prefer this colour a lot more. But yes, if you want it to be, so if you've toned your hair and it's not as ashy as you want it to be, give it a quick rinse with shampoo. This shampoo is good, but it's strong, so just be careful of not overpowering your hair with this stuff. Guys, I'm a rambler. I talk a lot. I hope this made sense to you guys. I hope this helped. If you have questions, just feel free to ask me. In terms of the hair is doing, I love it. I love it. Supernova hair, you guys, this 613 hair is banging. It's not even too expensive either for the lengths that I got. Again, I'm wearing 3 bundles of 20-inch and an 18-inch closure from Supernova hair. Yeah, the hair's just, yeah, it's just amazing stuff, and it takes to the processing really well, especially because the shampoo has harsh chemicals in it, and it's still, look at that, still flawless hair. So yeah, you can use my discount code Life of Ours for $6 off, I believe it is, when you buy the hair. So yeah, just enjoy the hair, you know. If I know a lot of you want to go bomb for the summer, I'm hooking you guys up with where you can get good 613 hair, because a lot of these vendors claim our 613 hair is just as good as our regular hair. It's a lie. But Supernova have impressed me so far, so thumbs up for them. Anyways, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, comment. Guys, comment. You guys think you want best stush? Comment. I like it all. Please stop being stush. Please. Yeah, follow me on all my socials as well. To our Instagram, Snapchat, even though I don't even use that no more. Cause Snapchat, y'all, they done messed up the thing for themselves. But yeah, see, I'm waffling again. See how I talk there? I'm waffling again. Okay, bye guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.